I also want to announce that we're going on a 30 days formulation series challenge. So for 30 days, I'll be posting a formulation tip every single day. And you know one thing about me, like even when I'm giving out knowledge for free, I love for it to be valuable, right? You cannot watch my formulation tip video and you will not learn from it. And I want the videos to be very short, but I don't know. I'll try my best to make it very short. But you know when you are sharing knowledge about something, like it's really hard to keep it really short. But it should just be really, really short tips, like tips that would really help you in your formulation. And who knows, maybe once in a while, maybe once in 10 days or once in a while, I might go on live video sessions where you can ask me questions every time I get your get advice regarding your formulation. And maybe I might also share free formulas, like free formulation videos or DIY videos that could really help in your on your formulation journey. The other thing is, if you are not part of my formulation community, I have a formulation community on WhatsApp where I share tips, I share tricks, and on that WhatsApp formulation community, you can always ask me questions. Like you can send me a message to ask me questions about your formulation and all. We are part of that WhatsApp community. So I will just say you can join through the link in my bio, and you should follow me for these 30 days because trust me, there are things that you did not know about formulation that you're going to learn in these 30 days. So either you're a beginner formulator or you have previous formulation experience, I'm very sure that you're going to learn a lot in this 30 days challenge. So I'm looking forward to doing this with you guys. Do follow me at Midex Haircare for the tips. See you tomorrow as we start this 30 days formulation tips challenge.